You with big runs on this weekend, sir?
Yeah.
Yeah. So what we'll do is we're going to do some bands and usual movements in there as well, with squats, reverse lunges, and deadlifts. But what I want you to do is actually just either ease down the number of reps or the weight you want to do in the deadlift. All right.
Okay.
So it's important to keep the actual movements going as well. But you don't have to lift as heavy this week if you don't want to. All right. So just reduce the weight and or the movements.
Okay.
Number of reps. All right. Notice our bands. We're going to do clams to start. Clamshells. We're going to do pull-ups, straight leg stretch, and then we're going to do some floor kickbacks, and then we'll move into some squats and some weight squats. All right. We have a band, make it down on the floor, and we start from there. Over on the knees. Start. Clamshells. Got 10 to do. Again, so keep the heels together. Tuck the feet back a small bit if you can. Stiffen the knee. And you want to be careful when I'm rolling the top hip backwards as we go. Pause at the end as always. Seven, 8, and 2 more. 9. And that's one. It's 10. All right. So we're on the other side. This together. Nice slow movement, keeping it strong. Three left. And last one. Okay. All right, so hands down the bottom of the feet. We'll lay down flat. Legs out straight. And hold one foot on the floor. Then we're going to pull that knee up towards the chest. Back down. Again, we're aiming to keep the knee and the foot moving in a straight line up towards the center of the body. 10 on each side. 1 foot down. And off you go. Keep on the same side if you can. Press control. Two more to the side. And last one. Relax. Put it up, and off you go. And knee up as hard as you can. Forward again, try to keep it moving in a straight line. You don't want the knee kicking out to the side. And last one. 10. All right, we got floor kickbacks as well. So we'll band back up around the knees. So we kneel down on our elbows, on our knees down onto our elbows. We kneel on one side of the band, and then the other we're going to push that leg up, push the foot up towards the ceiling. Lower back, keep shoulders relaxed, that'll keep the lower back relaxed in that position. Pushing it all the way up. Great, we got 2 left. That's what. All right, opposite side. So you kneel on one side, band, relax the shoulders again, get ready to go. And keep the knee moving straight up in that center line. Spinning from the hip all the time. Yeah. Last one. Okay. All right. Nice and slow. We're going to keep the band on for the first set of squats. So we've got squats. For the first one, it's going to be squats, reverse lunges with a reach, and then we have a weighted swing or a kettlebell swing. And after that, we're going to have a weighted squat, reverse lunge and a reach, and kettlebell. All right, so we keep the band on for the first lot of squats. We'll do 3 times to that. So we have squats, reverse lunges, and a kettlebell swing. All right. Okay. Pelvic tone them slightly as well. Feet go hip width apart. Right. Get ready to sit back down into it. 12 to do. So off you go. Keep the band pulled apart. That'll help actually focus, keeping the knees not over the toes. Tension in the band. Right, sit right back into it. So, 8. That's number 8. Okay, reducing the number of reps if you want. 10 and 2 more. 11 and the last one. All right, so get rid of the band for now. Back to that one. Reverse lunge and reach is the next one. I've done this loads of times as well. Put the lunge back. Okay, keep the shoulders back. Moving from the hips all the time. And as we go back, we're reaching up with the hands. Straight back down. Right. Reach up nice and high. Going to keep the shoulders back. Hip movement as well. So off you go for 12. All right, off you go. So stand on the same side. Reaching up as you move back. Six, number 9. 3 left. 11, the last one. Leg. Opposite side is coming now as well. 3, 2, and 1. Off we go. Opposite side. Step back. You jump. Keep the hands going as high as you can. Well, that's 6. Okay, 2 to go. 11, and last one. Bad. So grams of weight plate. Green or orange will be up to you. It's the equivalent of a kettlebell swing. Just like we've done with the squat. Feet hip width apart or slightly further. We'll start at the bottom in that squat position. Shoulders back. I'm going to use the core then to swing that way up. 3, 2, 1. Off you go. So, up. Straight back down and under. Back up. 2, 3. 4. Sit down into it. And hips back all the time. 11. Last one. 12. The bottom. All right. Well done. That's the end of that first one. So back to your band again. Now we're going to do some squats again with the band. And back around the knees. Same focus as before. The knees pulled apart. Push down over the toes. Grab it away if you want. Weight the squat one arms in front. Catch your weight. Hold it in close to the chest. Very similar effect as doing our front squat with the barbell. Again, the weight is optional. So if you want to leave the weight alone, that's fine. 3, 2, 1. Squatting again. Off you go. Again, hold the weight in close. 2, sit back down into it. 3, effect of the weight is going to try and pull you forward. That's it, squatting down. Fine. First movement is the hips as you push them back. The knees out over the toes. That's 9. 2 left. 11, and that's 1. All right, so you down the weight, stop the band. Reverse lunges are next. We'll stay away from weights with the lunges. Again, you're focusing on your posture and your position on these as well. Keep the feet in a straight line. Try to step back in a straight line as well, as opposed to sideways or laterally. Hands up as we go. 3, 2, and 1. So we're reaching as well. Step aside. Your hands moving up. reaching up as high as you can. That's it, working the hip mobility. Head looking forward. That's 8, you're stopping. 10, again, hands moving as you're stepping back. 11, and last one. 12. Shake out your legs. And opposite side. 3, 2, and 1. Off we go. Step back, hands up. Again, pushing through that front foot as you come to back to your start position. A bit of force into it. A bit of a spring. 8. 2 left. 11, last one. 12. Right. Grab your weight next again. We're back into that weighted swing or kettlebell swing. Squatting down into it again, starting at the bottom. Focuses on the position of the knees as well all the way through. Right. So down we go. Keep the back nice and straight. Keep the knees out over the toes. 3, 2, and 1. Here we go. Sit down into it. 8. 11. 12. Bottom. All right. There. All right, one more time then. Same thing, back to the band. Main set after this is going to do a bit of core, and then the main set after that then is deadlifts, split leg deadlifts, glute bridges. That'll be the main one to watch out for, especially weight wise. I'm grabbing your weight again. Yeah, we're going to hold it up in front. Hold it in front of the chest. Tuck it in nicely. All right. Again, focusing on the band. Keep tension on the band. We don't want the knees falling in as we go into that squat. All right. 3, 2, and 1. Down we go. Push the hips back, sit right back down into it. Tension on the band. 7. Let that be your focus. There's 8 again for anyone stopping. 10. 2 left. 11 and last one. 12. Weights down, reverse lunge and reach. This time we're going to alternate sides. We're going to alternate between left and right. 12 to do is going to be 6 on each side in total. All right, alternating as you go. 3, 2, and 1. Off we go. Stepping back and hands up. I'm reaching right up. Swapping sides. 2. 4. 5. Well done. Number 8. 9. Reaching as high as you can. 10. Reaching up through the hips. 11. Last one. 12. All right, well done. We're back in. We're into core after this. We have our weight swing. Kettlebell swing is now. Core then after that. 3 small movements. Then we get into that main set. So again, feet go just wider than the hips. Both pointed away. Squatting down in, keep back nice and straight. And you're down. You're ready to go on 3, 2, and 1. Off you go. 1. 2. Keep the knees out. 3. Go over the toes. 4. 8. Well done. We've got 4 left. 11. Last one. 12. Down. All right. Wait for a minute. Core is next. We're going to do a plank. We're going to do Russian twists. For Russian twists, we're going to use the band, and then we're going to do weighted lean overs. You want 2 weights available for that one. We'll catch one in each hand. We're just going to lean over to the side as we do it. So plank is first. And we're going to move on then after that. We're going to have deadlifts, straight leg deadlift and glute bridges. And the idea that would be actually more movement than weight. All right. So plank is first. Everyone's down, yeah. 2, 1, down you go. Again, elbows apart, hands apart as well. Very relaxed shoulder blades, the chest down between the shoulders. That's it, focusing on the hips and the glutes, nice and solid. Don't let the hips drop too far. Nicely done. We're around on 5 seconds already. And 3, 2, 1. Ease down gently. Excellent. All right. So sit down. Catching your band. We have Russian twists. We're going to use the band for these as well. Instead of the way we're going to use the band, we want to keep the band pulled apart. Nice stretch on it. Reach one hand around, push it off the floor. Reach each other around. All right. Okay. Keep following the hands with your head. Get the rotation on the upper body. So legs up if you can. If not, gently touch the heels off the floor for a bit of stability. Leaning back into it. 3, 2, 1. Pull the band apart. Off you go. Each left and right counts as 1. 1. 2. All right. Pulling that band apart. 6. Nice bit of tension on it. 7. 8. This is 10. 11. 12. Not too bad, well done. All right, weight lean overs are next. So you want 2 weights? Orange ones will be fine. Standing up nice and tall, shoulders back, hips forward as well. Keep the knees soft. All right, now we're going to do from here. We're going to roll over. One side, let the weight down by your side of the knee. Pull the oblique on the other side, pull them back up. All right. So off you go. You got 12 to do. It'll be 6 each side. So over. One. Just let the weights hang. You don't have to bend the elbows. You're not picking the weight up with the arms either. 3. So as you go over to the side, 4, you're going to feel the other side tighten up. 5. 6. Push that weight down as far as you can. 2 left. 11. Last one. 12. All right. So weights down. So you want to get your bar ready then as well. We have deadlifts next, followed by straight leg deadlift. And again, the goal here is not to go as heavy as we can or as heavy as possible. Of course, if you're not running at the weekend and you want to, that's no problem. If you have a run on that you've been waiting for, just keep it a bit lighter. All right. Have a run on. Focus on the movement more so than the weight. All right. Ready? Look, it should feel easy. We'll do between 8 and 12 reps. That'll be entirely up to yourself. And again, feet go hip width apart or so. Toes pointed out slightly. All about the hip movement. So if we're ready, now pick it up. Keep the back straight as you do it. So start in the elevated position. All right. Let's take all up. So 3, again, deadlift. So we're going to soften the knees first. 2, 1. Push from the hips back and sit down with the arms down. 1. Pull the chest back. 2. 4. Keep the bar in close to the legs. 5. Well done. 7. Number 8. Push the hips back. Push from the heels to come back up. 10. Don't bend the back. It's an important bit. 11. Last one. 12. 5. A second. Well done. The straight leg is next. So working the hamstrings. Yeah, depending on what you're doing, will depend on the weight you have on it. So you want a slight bend on the knees. Okay. That may increase slightly as you go down, but that's okay. Main part is a hinge from the hips. You want to go over, keep the back nice and straight, and back up. All right. And again, feel the pull in the hamstrings. Don't overdo it. So 3, 2, and 1. Off you go. So pushing the hips back, you're hinging over. Legs are almost straight. And up. Keep this one slow. 2. Again, same pressure in both heels. 4. Knees shouldn't be locked straight. 7 should be kept soft. 8. 9. 10. 2 to go. 11. We've got 2 bridges after this. All right, put it down. Bend the knees like you were your deadlift. And drop it down. All right, so 2 bridges are next. Second round, we're going to do single leg glute bridges. This one is both feet on the floor. Yeah, focusing on the knees, keeping them together. First, not letting them move out to the sides. All right. Again, pelvic tilt is another piece. Pelvic tilt to happen first. Tilt the pelvis up. Push up through the heels. The legs straight. You get to the top. Push a bit further. Back down and release that pelvic tilt. So you should be able to release that tilt when you get to the floor each time. All right. Make it a bit harder. Put the hands up across the chest. And 3, 2, and 1. Off you go. Tilt the pelvis. Push up. So that's 6. Keep this low. Tilt the pelvis each time. 7. Again, looking for even pressure on both heels. 8. Now we've got 3 left. 10. 11. Focusing on the legs. 12. Excellent. Down and relax. Stand up then slowly. Grab a drink if you want. Go back into your deadlift. And remember, you doesn't have to wait today. Focus on your movement and your posture. Everyone ready? Yeah? All right, so pick up your bar. Deadlift, the bar hang, keep the bar in close to the goes down, pushing the hips back. Keep the head up looking forward. All right, and 3, 2, and 1. Down we go. Down. Well, the bar doesn't have to go to the floor, but if you can get there, all the better. Go back straight as you do. 3. Again, pushing the hips back, sit into it. 6. We don't want the knees collapsing in either. 7. Nice push through the heels. 8. Shouldn't be any pressure on the toes. 10. 11 and 1 more. 5. That's it. Drop down the same way and relax for a second. Straight up deadlift again. Kind of this morning session. Some more moving weight, yeah. All right, so there you go. Get your bar. Back straight as you get. All right. Take the closer together. Slight bend on the knees. Again, letting the arms hang. 3, 2, 1. So pushing the hips back. Keep pushing it back as you hinge into it. 1. That's it. Focus on the hips. Keep pushing back. 2. Keep the back straight. Try and focus on that point where it starts to round over. 4. If you can watch your reflection in your window or something, would be great. 5. Again, even pressure on both heels. 6. 7. on. That's 9. 10, 2 to go. 11 and last one. Down gently. All right. Nicely done. Back onto your mat. We have single leg glute bridges. So we're going to do 6 each side. All right. So for single leg ones today, we normally keep our leg up. Today we're going to do like a figure 4. We're going to put our heel up on the opposite knee. So if you have your right leg up, you want to put your right heel on your left knee. All right. You'll be surprised how much it opens the hip to start with. And there again, if you want to focus on the pelvic tilt, you'll find there's very little tilt left. It has already turned on and activated. And from here, you can have the hands on the floor if you want, or hands across the shoulders. 3, 2, and 1. Up you go. 1. So pushing through the heel. 2. 3. You know if you're pushing down to one side as you go onto one shoulder blade. 4. That's okay. It's inevitable. It's going to happen. 5. We're going to roll back on both shoulder blades. And 1 more. That's it. And down. All right. So 6 each side. It's up and over. Left leg now up on the right knee. 3, 2, and 1. Pelvic tilt again has already pretty much happened. 3. That's it. Pushing through the heel. 4 and 2 left. 5, last one. 6. All right. Nice bit of timing, well done. So we're back around there for our last set. Focus again is on the movement. Yes, add on loads of weight if you want. But if you're running this weekend, marathon, half marathon, keep it easy. You want to finish today feeling fresh. Enjoy your run afterwards. Someone giggling. All right. So deadlifts are next. All right. Toes pointed out slightly. And again, sitting down into it. Back nice and straight. Shoulders back. Head up. 3, 2. There we go. That's it. Sitting into it. 4. Finishing with the shoulders, pulling back at the top. 7. Keep the knees up over the toes. 8. Nice even back. 10. 11. Last one. Down in the same manner. One of the differences you didn't go. Excellent. Well done. Followed by those single leg glute bridges. All right, change your right, yeah. Straight like that again, focusing on the hip movement. Right, when you're ready, down and pick up the bar. Feet a bit closer together. All right, very close. 3, slight bend on the knees. 2, and 1. So pushing back from the hips. Down you go. 1. That's it. 2. Slight bend on the knees. Nice work. 5. That's 6. Well done. Keeping it slow. 7. Pushing the hips back all the time. 8. That's why I keep the hip movement going. 9. Legs are sit into it. Push the hip back. 10. Focus on the hamstrings. 11. Last one. 12. Start down the same way, bend the knees. Get rid of it. Excellent. Well done. So our single leg glute bridges are next. We're going to follow that with a plank. And lean overs, whatever we end up with at the end. That's what's going to be. So glute bridges are next. We got single leg. We'll do the same as we've done before. We'll put one foot, or right foot, right heel, up on the left knee. All right. Again, just let the hip hang and the knee hang as well. You should have a nice bit of a stretch going on there as it is. All right, so just let the hip relax. Then we're going into our bench. 3, 2, 1. Off you go. Pushing up. 1. And again, keep it slow and pause at the top. 2. Let the knee hang there. 2 left on this side. 5. Push left side as you can. 6. All right. Down easy. Soften over. Same again. Let the knee hang there. Then should be a bit of a stretch as well in the hip flexors and the glutes. And 3, 2, and 1. Up you go. Nice pressure through the heel. Show. 1. That's 4. We've got 2 left. 5. And last one. And 6. All right, down easy. All right, which is enough time for a plank. Finish it out. We're all delighted to hear that. Plank is next. Down onto the elbows. Again, try to keep the hands apart on the floor. Relax the shoulder blades. So 3, 2, and 1. Down you go. The hips down low, hands apart. Don't push up through the shoulders, just let the chest drop down. That's it. Take the weight off the upper back, lay down into the core. Hold it nice and steady. Let the breathing relax. So nice big deep breaths as you go if you can. Well done, almost there. If you can get out for a run later on, a nice little short run would be perfect. At some point. Use out the legs. You've got 10 seconds left. And 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Knees down easy. Excellent.
Thanks, Dahi.
That's it. Well done, guys.
Thank you.
Thanks, Dahi.
Bye bye.
See everybody next. Thank you. Bye.